What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Trey Brown, and I am a motor enthusiast of all sorts. Typically, I say automotive enthusiast, but I love anything with a motor in it. So, with that being said, this week was my lucky week. Not only was I wearing the same shirt that I wore when I got arrested, I also ran my personal best of a 24.206. It's still not a 23-second run like my cousin Tony at Ruiner Motorsports ran, but I will take it. In this race, this week I'm only going to show one race. I just didn't have enough time to edit all three races. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be honest. When you have when you have three cameras going, and you go through all three cameras, it's just a lot. So it's kind of hard to keep it entertaining with that much content. I'm trying to work it out here for you guys. This first race, within the first two laps, I spin out, I get passed by Andy, and then the second lap, Jake spins out. We catch up to Jake. I end up passing Andy and Jake in turn 11 into turn 12 on the outside. Like nothing you will ever see in your life. I swear. This track is so hard to pass somebody that is a second slower than you. You really gotta drive around them. So with that being said, let's get into the action. About halfway through, I'll give you guys a little halftime show. I'll go over three of the laps that I think were my best and what I was doing that was so different. So, let's go into it. Fuck. Oh my Lanta, this car. This car's got a real nice steering wheel. I already spun out. Yeah, it is super easy. Looks good. Every single time. go-kart racing series. So this is a social league go-kart series, but we've been really getting competitive at it. Like, we're 3 weeks in. I have not ran at 23 seconds yet. I don't think Jake's ran anything faster than 25 seconds. And my cousin Tony over at Ruiner Motorsports is running 23.838 or something and averaging 24.1. So I'm losing sleep over this, guys. On this screen here, we have a map. Now bear with me. I'm not good at this. But the yellow line is what I think I have been running. And then turn 8, I think turn 8 is where I'm screwing up, because I don't go through turn 7 very well, and I have to correct myself. So in a video, I'm going to show you. See if you guys can see a difference and what you guys think. Leave a comment below what you think I did differently and how I cut some time off my lap. My graph looks good too, and it wasn't like a sudden victory lap. Like, I kind of stayed on it for a second, but it looked like I wore myself out. Like, you could tell I was getting fatigue or something throughout the race. So I don't know. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Let's get into it.
No, I mean it clipped on just like that.
Yeah.
And it was just sitting there. It's like, thank God. Should I put it lower?
I think it's fine.
You say
How'd
so.
you feel about those runs?
Oh,
You guys were like neck and neck the whole entire race, weren't you?
Me and you?
No, you and Andy.
What were we? Yeah. I thought that was you behind me.
Me and you back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I passed you guys way before.
Yeah, when we went in that one quarter, we got jacked up. He passed it.
I passed you guys all on the outside.
Yeah, Trey was fine. Look at this. Look at our times.
Oh my God, so close.
Look at the up and down.
Yeah.
We're jacking around. You almost got to be. You just got to separate.
I was having fun. I was sliding the fucking shit out of my car.
Yeah, but when you're bumper to bumper like that, it's so fun. I came tight on 7. But it's so fun because it's like you guys are constantly battling, and then like a hard right hand on 9, and just kept the wheel torqued all the way through 10. Like it was one lap that I did way different that I felt like it was a lot faster. But I mean, I had a cart good enough to actually hit the brakes.
You had 43, didn't you?
53.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.